Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Everyone, how are you? I hope you are all very well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And Alhamdulillah, I am also very well. And today is the second day of my English video making practice journey. And today I will talk about my reason of learning English. I will discuss with you why I am learning English. Brother, English is a global language. English is an international language. English at present, English is not just a language, but English is a way to communication with globally. English is not just a language, English is a way to connect with the people of all around the world globally. If you have English skill, you can connect with globally. You can connect with your customer, you can connect with your client. As a freelancer, if I say if I have a good communication skill in English, and that means I will get extra 10 or 20% more benefit than the other. They do not have English communication skill, right? And as a Muslim, if I think as a Muslim in future, may Allah give me the chance, give me the opportunity. I want to travel all around the world, and I want to call the people to Allah. And this is my dream, this is my hobby, this is my passion. And that's why I am learning English, because I say already, English is not just a language at present in this world. English is a way to communication. English is a way to connect to the people. English is very important for us, for me, for you. English make me better. English give me extra facilities. By the way, my room is out of electricity, so that's why you can feel sometime darkness and sometime light. Because of the sunlight, when the sunlight is lighting more and more, you can see my face more clear, and the sunlight is gone, you can see my face dark. So don't worry about this matter, just focus on your passion, focus on your hobby. And that's why I make learning English as a passion, as a hobby, right? And today I want to finish this video now, and I do not want to make it more longer, because the video already 5 minutes done. So tomorrow I will discuss and I will talk about with another topic. And have a good day. Pray for me. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and do something good for yourself, for your family, for your country, for your society. And আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওরহমতুল্লাহি অবরাকাতুহু।